You know he already started recording?
Yeah, he do.
I don't know why the hell he started recording on me. Don't, just leave it alone. That's the only good car in there. You can't look at anything, bro. You got pointed. You finna start talking, bro.
Man.
So all of this is wasted footage. Get close up on it.
Yeah, that's a wide angle too, so you'll see.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Try to, I don't know. Look good? Look straight? Oh shit. Alright. I'm nervous. I'm gonna start over. Alright, we're gonna do this damn. I can't do it, bro. Y'all looking at me, bro.
Let me see it.
I thought you were. I said the red one. Didn't I say the red one?
What's happening, everybody?
Nah, man. Okay, welcome back to another video. My name is Isaiah Toots, and today we're gonna be changing the upper control arm. We're gonna do the upper and lower, but I don't think we're gonna do all that today. You can show them. We got the old one out. Oh yeah, the reason we're doing this is because it was squeaking. Excuse me, bro. You see when you put pressure on it, look how loud it get. Y'all should have heard me going on the road. I was like a old Crown Vic, bro. That bit was squeaking like a mother. I gotta stop cussing too. It's hard not to cuss. It's hard not to be yourself when you're recording a video. That's why I gotta get to that level. So this would be left side, right? Is that left?
Yeah, you grab the other one, still in the car.
Oh, come on. The new other one?
I know I'm gonna sell.
You got both of them in the box.
Yeah.
Pull the other one out. Just the other two.
Yeah, they say R. So how would that go though? Like this way or this way of the car? Would this be the right side or would that be the right side? You know what I'm saying?
Left.
Okay,
right.
okay. Oh, you know. I'm just asking. Alright, this is right. So we'll do this one. Alright, cool. It's been like 3 weeks since I made a video, bro. 4 weeks probably. As soon as it started getting real cold outside, man, the bush and said bye-bye.
To be boosted.
And so, huh?
Nothing.
So do I go ahead and tighten these up like real tight? Like
No.
So I wait till I put it on?
Yeah, you wait till you put it on.
Alright, cool. You wait till you put it on, but would you tighten it when it's in the air or when it's down low?
Down low.
It's gonna be hard to get.
No, it ain't be too bad.
Let's see if I can do this.
Chill out, man. Fastest car enjoy.
The fastest?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll be back soon there.
The fastest. You wanna do me a favor? You catch one of them and I put it on top?
I ain't started taking it apart yet. We can line that bitch up when you ready.
Nah, we can line it up any day. I ain't worried about it.
Say that.
I really could've gave me some.
We like to have fun too.
Yeah, we race for fun. I raced a Mustang GT. And this V6. V6. Yeah. And then, first one.
Trying to get the boat in.
Oh, man.
You can see it.
It's a tight fit. Just jamming in there, Isaiah.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
I can't get it, dog.
reaction.
Butterfingers. Man, that bit ain't going in. Gotta ship it back. It's
Look how shiny it is.
it's stripped.
Let me see.
I got it.
You got it?
I'm gonna be able to type.
Gang.
Ooh, pretty. That was really pretty easy. That's not bad. It's wrong boat. Took my boat.
You dropped it.
Nah, bro. It's up here somewhere. It's around here somewhere. In these streets. Should have been over here. Oh, this might be it. Is this it? Nope.
Size you looking for? They right here. Those?
No. For the. Oh, did I put it back?
I didn't see you take it off. Put the bulb on?
Probably put it in the car. On that side. Man, chill out,
You
man.
done talking?
Nah.
You got it?
I think I put it back.
5/8?
Yeah. Nah, but it was a big one. I think it was one of them. Yeah, it was at 3/4. Those got to be different boat sizes.
Yeah, they're gonna be.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Honda original boat is a 17.
I got some all that shit you can build that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I hate this cold.
You know, shirt. You ready? Straight?
For what?
See my tail like.
I'm gonna get sleeved.
I'm gonna get charged.
How tight should it be? Like, should it go to the hole?
Tight as hell.
Tight as hell? For?
You want it to come apart?
Hell no. I
Just don't strip it, bro.
think I see the holes.
Nah, I think it's like 34 foot-pounds.
You got the torque ring?
Not with it. Actually, check on the seat.
I think the whole right there.
Satisfied?
If it stops squeaking, hell yeah. And these can be tight of head.
I think those are about 40. Oh, he done dug in my wallet. Look at him.
Not yet. He ain't had enough.
So should I? Oh, we gotta tighten them up. How to just make them real tight?
Wait, no, you gotta wait till you get on the ground.
Okay.
So try to get them in as far as you can.
Yeah.
At least.
Bro, you see that my damn leather jacket? Look, see that shit? One day after work, I was like, bro, ain't nobody tell me shit. Both sides. I guess it's like when I
Stretched out.
You gotta eat 10. I'm too strong. They're more. Madre. Alright, now what?
No one ever shows the breakdown process.
I say honestly, I'm gonna bust my knuckles.
Don't do those first.
You sure?
Positive.
How was work?
Y'all got me on the video.
Oh yeah, you can be
You
on
on there?
Hey, yeah.
it. You can be on it. I got it.
You don't want to crack that tank, so be careful, bro. That reservoir. Elbow grease.
How are you? Oh yeah, I got this damn for free. Detailer at work gave me a bit.
Shout him out real quick.
Shout out to RJ, man. He working on his. He got a I don't know. It's a Camaro. It's an old school Camaro. He got building that bit, bro. He done got a spark plug and all that shit for it.
Right.
Oh, bro, I thought that bit broke off. Look, I got scared as hell. I was about to say, no way. But I ain't need it anyway, so if it broke off anyway. It just scared me. I thought it broke off. Bingo. That's really
I
easy.
swear it is.
I really thought it was gonna be harder than that. Look at this. That bit. That's what my problem was. That squeaking. Well, this one ain't as bad as that. Look at that. That bit is rusty, bro. By the way, this is a 1994 Honda Accord.
So
But
this
ain't
been here since 94.
1993. This ain't never been changed. 1993. It's 2022, man. Crazy. What's this doing on? 1993. Crazy. By the way, I keep sniffling too because it's cold. I ain't got corona. I ain't got
Oh,
cold.
it's cold as hell.
It's really, I mean, it's warm in here, but it was cold. It is cold. It's warm here.
I hear diesel.
Oh, big diesel boy.
We've been on a long time ago. I'm still floating. Trying to get it on there.
That was tight. Yep. Hopefully that is a squeaker part. I feel like 80% sure it is. Like I said, ever since it started getting extremely cold in Georgia, some bushing, I just heard some loud squeaking noise under my car. So I just ordered upper. Oh damn! I ordered upper and lower control arms. We took off the top, and top was for sure squeaking. So hopefully that is a problem, or the only squeak. I know we fixed some of the issue, if not all. We're putting the tires back on now. And we're gonna tighten up the top 2 bolts on the top control arm. We in the game. We in the game. I know I need tires. Don't say shit, man. I got a supercar, man. I just be burning out all the time. I be burning out, cause
Low on battery, cool.
yeah, man. Shit still squeaks. Oh, ass car. It is what it is.
We're gonna get it right though.
I got another battery somewhere. I race in Draco.
You can race. I ain't never go back down from a race.
Hey man, we just be having fun though. Car life. You feel me? I got that on video.
That was a car.
We ain't editing that one out either.